Hey, yearbook students, just a quick introduction to the topic of our responsibility as student journalists as far as law and ethics go. In this page right here is where you're going to get all of your information on this topic. So it's a lot. They are fairly short videos, mostly. This one is a PDF that you can just kind of browse, but it is a lot of information. I would suggest as you are going through this information to jot down some notes, just because I will let you use those on the quiz. They will help you with your assignments on this topic. So each one of these linked is a different screencast of some information about the topic of law and ethics and making the right decisions as a yearbook staff. I said this in another video. This isn't the most exciting information, but I'm giving it all to you now so we can get through this in just a couple weeks. So this week for responsibility, you guys are just really getting the information, and then you have a couple very short assignments here to just help you kind of apply the information that you get this week. Next week, you'll have a couple more little assignments and then the quiz over this topic. So that's why I say you might jot down some notes from the videos linked here, because I am happy to let you use those on the quiz next week.